In this video, we will walk through conducting a search in Statista. Begin on the library's homepage, libraries.olemiss.edu. Once on the homepage, scroll down past the image and you'll see the search box. Below the search box, you'll see databases. Once on the database A through Z, select S for Statista and scroll until you find it in the list. In the default search box, type in your search terms. Sometimes it will list suggestions down below the box. In your result list in Statista, you'll see different types of information. The type of information will be indicated by the icon in the top right above the title. In this case, for social media, we have over 57,000 results. We could either start scrolling and looking through our result list, or we could come over here to the right and further refine our search. We have several different limiters as options here. Content types, so if you're looking for a particular type of information. Accuracy. Location is the one that tends to be used the most. For example, if I'm interested in social media statistics related to just the United States, under the country filter, I can begin typing in United States. It comes up in the list and I'll select it. Now my results list has been updated and anything or any statistic that doesn't include the United States has been removed from the list. I've gone from 57,000 results down to 6,800. There's also an industry limiter, a publication date limiter, and an archive. You'll also see various tags that might be relevant words that you could add to your search. Now let's click on a result. If it has the red icon by it, it means it's a topic page. This means there will be a page full of various statistics just related to my topic, in this case social media. Next, in my search result list, I can see the orange icon. This means it's a dossier. Usually, anything with an orange icon is going to ask you to download it in order to access it. Here you can see the table of contents of what's in the actual report or the dossier, and to the far right you can hit the download button. The last type of statistic we can see would be an individual statistic. In this case, let's look at social media users in the United States from 2020 to 2029. When we click on it, it's an individual statistic. We can read it. Usually Statista's stats are pretty easy to interpret and read. They'll give you details at the bottom. You can hover over and the information will pop out for you. Over on the right, you can see you can download as a PDF, an Excel file, a PNG, or a PowerPoint. It provides the source of the information, so this information was created by Statista. That isn't the case for all information in Statista. Under Details, they'll provide you the survey period and any special parameters. In the middle section, under the gear, you can change the chart type. Under the share button on the far right, you can email. You'll see a quote button, which is going to be a citation. So it's going to generate a citation in various styles for you. And then you can print as well. Under single statistics, usually if you'll scroll down, you will see related reports and statistics as well. And this was a brief overview of conducting a search in Statista.